To speed up Luigi's Box effectiveness after integration, you can import past user transactions. This is especially useful for omni-channel clients to include offline purchases, like those from physical stores. In order to enable the feature, in the main menu, head to Settings and click on Transaction History Import. You will then see the following screen inviting you to contact our customer support team and ask for an API key. Do not forget to ask for the API key to be generated for each site you wish to import the transaction's history into. Once a customer support member confirms the API key is generated, you should see the following screen. Now you are free to proceed with the import. Currently, 2 data formats of the history file are supported: CSV file and JSON file. For more information about the import file format and requirements, head to Past, Offline, and Omnichannel Transactions Import section in our documentation. Once you have the file in the correct format ready, you can use the drag and drop or the browse function to find it. You can also upload the file using our API directly, for which you will need the generated API key itself. You can find it under Settings, Integration Settings, just below the tracker IDs of your sites. You can find the exact instructions, including a sample request, in the Past, Offline, and Omnichannel Transactions Import section of our documentation. After successful transactions upload into API, you will receive a response message 200, meaning that the data were successfully uploaded. They will be processed later in the background. In case of any error, the whole import is canceled. API doesn't allow data removal or update, so if needed, contact our customer support at support@luigisbox.com.